Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly fix broken tables in Google Docs. If your table looks uneven, with messy rows or columns, don't worry. It only takes a few clicks to fix. Start by opening your document in Google Docs and locating the table that looks broken or misaligned. If the size doesn't look right, you can drag the corners of the table to adjust the overall width and height until it looks closer to what you need. Next, place your cursor anywhere inside the table and right-click to open the menu. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see options to distribute rows and distribute columns. Selecting these will automatically make your rows and columns even, giving your table a clean and professional look. After applying both options, your table should now be perfectly aligned and easy to read. And that's it. You've just fixed your broken table in Google Docs in just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and check the link in the description for the full guide. Thanks for watching.